Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best RV air conditioners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is BLACK+DECKER Packed 08WT Portable Air Conditioner. BLACK+DECKER is the popular and reliable U.S. brand of small domestic appliances, power tools, and outdoor equipment which was established back in 1910. The Packed 08WT is a compact unit which can be successfully used in different spaces up to 150 square feet to maintain the comfortable indoor temperatures independently from the ambient conditions outside. It features 5,000 BTU DOE, 8,000 BTU washery, cooling capacity and comes with an adjustable fan speed which allows cooling the air down to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, this model can dehumidify the air indoors, thus keeping it cool and dry. This model has a programmable 24-hour timer which serves to save energy, and the sleep mode maintains the desired air temperature throughout the night and ensures quiet operation. Also, this model comes with the LED display and remote control for more convenience in use. With 4 casters you can easily roll this air conditioner from one room to another. However, you will need a wall outlet available to duct the included hose outside. Cons: lower cooling capacity. Suitable for double hung or sliding windows only, no crank windows. This ultra-compact AC unit will fit in various middle-sized living spaces, dorms, and RVs and save you from summer heat in an efficient manner. Number 2. Our second best pick is Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Whynter is the U.S. manufacturer of the electric residential grade appliances including portable AC units, refrigerators, freezers, air purifiers, etc. The company was established in 2006 in Santa Fe Springs. Nowadays, they deliver a wide range of products throughout the country. Introduced by the company as the portable AC solution for RVs, the Whynter ARC 14S, this model is capable of covering up to 500 square feet space with its installed 14,000 BTU ASHRAE/9,500 BTU SACC cooling capacity. Also, the cooling rate is proved to be faster than that of the similar portable units in this class due to the dual hose operation and the patented advanced auto drain technology. It features 3 fan speeds which can be varied to get the optimal airflow with 253 CFM max, depending on your needs. Additionally, this unit can be operated as a dehumidifier to deliver 71 pints per day and a fan. The indoor air quality will be improved by means of its washable pre-filter and activated carbon filter. More than that, the ARC 14S is equipped with CFC-free green R32 refrigerant and lead-free rose-compliant components, which makes it one of the best eco-friendly options on the market. Cons: can't be used as a heater. This portable AC unit comes with the improved performance, versatility and use and eco-friendliness to create comfortable indoor conditions wherever needed. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dometic Air Conditioners. This compact air distribution box is designed to have better air distribution inside your RV due to its air vents. Besides, it serves as a control unit to maintain the desired temperature indoors. It shall be used in tandem with the outside AC rooftop unit. It is compatible with Dometic Brisk 2 of 15,000 BTU and 13,500 BTU. Besides, it can also be used as a heating source. Cons: compatible with Dometic Brisk rooftop models only. Manual operation. For non-duct applications only. This air distribution box would be a perfect supplement to the AC system, granting the precise control over the temperature inside your rig. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dometic Brisk 2 Rooftop Air Conditioner. Dometic Group AB is the international manufacturer and supplier of climate control equipment and convenience products for the RV, marine, and auto industries, with the headquarters in Stockholm, Sweden. The Dometic Brisk 2 is the innovative rooftop air conditioner with the advanced RV AC technology in the upgraded design. The latter ensures 15% airflow increase in comparison with the previous models. The cooling capacity of this unit is quite impressive, reaching up to 13,500 BTU/H, which makes it suitable for large motorhomes. This model is made of high-tech materials which make it 19% lighter than the previous models and improve its durability and aerodynamics. The composite laminated shroud protects the surface from the UV radiation, thus preserving the long-lasting fancy view of the unit. While this model is powerful, it remains comparatively quiet with minimum vibration when running due to the presence of the noise dampening brackets. Besides, it is very easy to install and maintain, thus you won't need any professional help. Cons: cooling only. Additional accessories are required. This is one of the most reliable RV air conditioners in this class, featuring the superior all-around performance. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Dometic 640315C Penguin 2410 amp low-profile rooftop air conditioner. The streamlined shape and aerodynamics of this unit reduces wind resistance and improves fuel efficiency of your vehicle. Besides, its low-profile design does not increase the height of your rig, that is, it minimizes the risk of its damage when driving under low bridges or other overhanging objects. Featuring the high-performance motor and fan, this unit can provide up to 13,500 BTU. The airflow rate is regulated with the 3-speed blower. Versatility of this air conditioner is proved by its ability to work with duct and non-duct RV systems, thus it can be used in numerous motorhomes of different configurations. Along with the quiet operation, this AC unit provides the optimum regulated airflow. The comprehensive temperature control can be attained by means of the inside ceiling distribution box and a control kit, optional. Cons: expensive. This is one of the best RV AC units which give an utmost versatility and power to be used in almost any type of recreational vehicle nowadays. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.